everyone, my name is Irina Kabak and I am a makeup artist and a licensed skincare therapist. Today we're going to be discussing a very fun topic. Me, on my part, when I was ready to go to a music festival, I couldn't find anything online. Even videos on YouTube were kind of sparse and weren't really talking about the whole picture. So I'm going to be talking about music festivals and what to wear when you go, how your makeup's supposed to look like, and what your hair is supposed to look like. And again, it's just something that I suggest. If you have your own idea about how it's supposed to look, please do whatever you want, but here are some guidelines about that. Let's start with the makeup. So what are some characteristics of festival makeup? First one is a glitter and rhinestones. You can put it on your face, all over your body. It doesn't matter. It's an amazing way to stand out from the crowd. You can use just over top color, like colorful makeup is really popular on music festivals. I would use a holographic highlighter. I don't like it in a real life, but on your music festival, you can use as many as you want. And again, on your face and on your body, wherever you like it to be. The next one is unusual tribal patterns, and tribal patterns can be anywhere on your face, on your body, but it's usually characterized by like lines on your face, random lines in the middle of your face. For example, I will be posting pictures here with examples. And also what you can use in your makeup is dried flowers or temporary tattoos. They are also a great way to stand out from the crowd on the music festival. So let's talk about festival hair, and what characterizes festival hair is braids. You can just do 2 braids and it's going to be appropriate. Bright color extensions, so some clip-in extensions you can get temporarily and just put them in your hair and sport them at the festival. You can use a temporary color like I have in your natural hair, and it will wash off after a week. The festival is over in a week or so. So you can just use any colors that you like on your hair if your hair is blonde. And also colored hairspray can be an option for darker hair. It's also very appropriate to use glitter on your hair. So for example, on a part, you can just sprinkle glitter, or there are sprays that have glitter in them, like a hairspray or just a glitter spray. Just spray it all over and you're good to go. The next one is hair accessories. So any pins that are bright in color or a lot of rhinestones, that also is going to be appropriate. This hairstyle that I have right now, 2 buns, is actually a very popular one at the music festivals because it actually gets all of your hair away from your face and you don't really think about it, but it's really cute. Zigzag part like I have right now, and this can be accentuated with glitter again, as I said. So you just kind of like go with your comb like this and then separate your hair, and it will give you a zigzag part. And of course, loose curls. If you don't want to do anything, loose curls with a lot of hairspray or a texturizing spray like a beach wave spray, that's going to be a really good idea too. The next thing that I want to talk about is an attire. So what you wear to the festival is actually defines like everything almost. Some of the elements of your attire for the festival can be crop top or bralette, so people don't really wear a lot of clothes on music festivals. So crop top like I have right now, for example, say in Coachella, or it can be like a bikini top. The next element is fringe, and I see it everywhere. Girls use a lot of fringe on music festivals. It could be a vest with fringe, it could be like t-shirt that actually cut to make it fringy. It can be anything with a fringe. It's really cute. The next one is jean shorts, and that's also one of the elements that is really popular on festivals. So if you don't know what to wear, just wear shorts with a bralette and you're gonna be fine. The next element that I want to talk about is a crochet, and in real life it's probably just only a beach style kind of element, but you can definitely wear a crochet elements for the music festival. The next one is a graphic tee, and I see a lot of like Guns N' Roses and Metallica and Led Zeppelin names on the shirts on music festivals. Tie-dye is a big deal on music festivals, and I think it's a little bit underappreciated, but it always looks really nice. And tie-dye shirt you can make yourself. There are so many tutorials. The next element that you can wear if you don't know what to wear, and that's really cool, you can just wear a swimsuit and like something see-through on top of it, or sometimes I even see girls don't wear anything on top of it, just a swimsuit. It could be separate, it could be one piece swimsuit. It's also appropriate on at the music festivals. So of course hats, and I would recommend to wear a hat because it's always hot. It's in the summertime, so a hat will protect your face. I'm very aware of sun, so I would put a lot of sunblock and maybe like take one can with me and just spray it. The hat is really a good way to protect your face and protect your hair. Or if you don't want to do any hairstyle, that's a great way to just add to your hat without doing an outrageous hairstyle. Other elements that can be really appropriate and really pretty for the music festival is going to be sequins and metallic finishes, and of course neon. Neon is that color that actually in the evening sometimes looks so much cooler than anything else, because if you stand like near the black light, for example, or even if it's just a very bright t-shirt, it will be visible in the dark. So it's a great way to do it. Last year I actually wore the sneakers with light built in a sole, and that's also a great way to be very bright when the dark comes. Those were some looks, some ideas of how to look for the festival, and I hope you found it interesting. Please subscribe. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on festival look, maybe this one that I have right now, maybe something else. Of course, I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the hair, for festival hair, and I hope I will be able to do also a couple of outfits from whatever I have in my closet to show you that you actually can use your everyday items for your festival look. So please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, comment below what festivals you went to and what you were wearing there. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much guys for watching me. Bye bye!